Hello, in this section I'll be showing you how to use leads map with EachSpy. I may not get into more details on using EachSpy because most of the features you will be using with EachSpy. I already explained how to use them in the previous sections. I will just try to focus more on the features that are unique to each pie in this section. So you may want to go back to the previous section to learn the features that are general to all these sections in general. So let's go. So we already have EachSpy listed on the suggested list of websites you can scout. So I'll just click it directly on here, but you may want to search instead of clicking. But since it's already listed, you don't have to search. So this is EachSpy. Now, like Bootlead, to use EachSpy, you will need to log in first. So far, the only platform we've dealt with that does not require you to log in is Merchant Genius. But for both Bootlead and EachSpy, you will need to log in to access the database. Like Bootlead too, EachSpy also has a premium feature. So, but just like Bootlead, you can make a limited number of search every day on a free account. So to log in, just click on the menu, then click login. Like I mentioned in the Bootlead tutorial, you cannot use continue with Google. So you can either continue with username or enter your email address. So you can continue with username, meaning you log in with your email and password, or you can enter email address. I want you to take notes. Once you are in a browser interface on Leads Map, it may not work if you attempt to back as normal. You may have, especially on the screen where you start reaching out to them, you may have to tap on the back icon at the top of the screen beside the search inputs to go back. Just some information you may need to not get frustrated while using the app. So wait till it's done verifying success. Then once it's bring up the success icon, then you can continue with email. And note, you don't have to create an account first on either Bootlead or EachSpy. Once you sign in, it's going to create an account automatically for you. So go to your email to get the code. Then enter the code to log in. Continue with login code. Then boom, we are inside the website. Now let's take a look before we start to make search. So instead of opening them like that, you can just extract first. But before we extract, I will just show you the filter. So like Bootlead, you can enter the keyword. Let me use apparel in this case. Then publish date rate. This is the date range of which the product was published. So price range, you can select if you want. Currency, you can select if you want. Title, you can select if you want. As ad, dropshipping product, and one product per store. If you are trying to reach out to website owners, you don't really care about the product, then you need to ensure that it is not repeating same store multiple times just because they have more products. So one product per store, then you search. Now it will ask me to subscribe, but as you can see, the filter actually did work. It's come up with 21 products instead of the thousands of products that were initially available. Just like Bootlead, EachSpy are also in pages, and you can only access the first page. So now this is the first page. I mean, it doesn't even for this filter, it doesn't even have more pages because I think a page can contain up to 40 stores or 40 products. So now we have all this. So the usual, what you are going to do after you are done with your filtering and selecting and making the search is to click on the plus icon and extract URLs. I don't think there's email visible on this page, so the only option you have is to extract URL. On Marshall Engineers or Boostly, you can extract email, but on EachSpy, you can only extract URL. Now, these are all the URLs based on your filter, based on your search. So I think we search for apparel. So to use them, you can either click directly, but this is not effective enough. So instead of clicking directly, you can just click at the bottom right of your screen, click on the start button, start. Now we have one of 21 URLs, meaning all the URLs are listed sequentially. So when you are done with one website, you can click on next to go to the next website. When you are done with one website, click on next to go to the next website. So I think I should show you how to contact them. Like I mentioned in the Marshall Engineer section, you can either find the contact details either by clicking on the menu icon of the website or by going to the footer section of the website, which is the last section on every website, footer section or the menu section. So here we already have their email address, so you can just message them directly from here, or you can just click on their social media icon as it will take you to their social media profile. I don't know the problem. Let's click on refresh. The refresh. So let's try it again. TikTok. Then just before refresh icon, you can click on the external icon and it's going to open the social media link within the app of that social media. Then you can reach out to the website owner with your prospecting message, then return back to the app, and then you can click on next to take you to the next website. And if you ever fall in love with any website, you have an intention of coming back to the website, you can click on the love icon and it's going to add the website to favorite. So I won't be showing you much in this section because most of the features I already showed this in the Marshall Engineers and in the Boostly section. So now let's go back to home and just see. I added the last website to favorite, so you can see it under tools, faved. This is the website, so you can always return it to the website from here. Or you can also see it in the menu section. So for now, this is all I'll be showing you in the tutorials of how to use Leadsmap for now. There are other features you may want to try out, like the audit feature. This is a feature that allows you to audit a website and see its SEO performance. We have the magic leads feature, which is temporarily unavailable due to some reasons. And then the extract file features. I did not show this, but let me just show you how to use it briefly. On Boostly or EachSpy, you can download a database as CSV or as any text formats on your devices. So if you download those database, you can just select it as file from here and just upload it, and you'll still be able to reach out. You'll still be able to reach out. So this is where we are going to be ending this tutorial. Stay tuned for more if there's ever going to be more. Thank you.